Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create and set up your PayPal account. So let's get started. So here we are in the website of PayPal. I'm here in paypal.com, and in here you can scroll down and know more about PayPal if you want. But we're gonna proceed here into sign up and log in right now. If you don't have an account, you can go sign up. If you already have one, you can click on log in. But let's say we don't have an account, so we're gonna go and sign up. And as you can see here, PayPal has two different account types. It has a personal account or a business account. So personal account is basically from the word itself, personal. It means for personal uses, which means you can use it to send money, to pay for your bills, or you could receive money under your name. This is what you want to choose. If you're a freelancer or you want to receive your salary, then personal account is the best one for you. And if you want a business account, then this is more of a corporation or LLC. If you have that, then you could go for a business account. You could have more payment options. You could connect it into other payment options, just like Diners Club and other more payment methods that is available for other platforms, so that you could connect your PayPal account and receive payments under your business name. And it also has a 24/7 online fraud monitoring and seller protection, which is really good, and no setup, monthly, or hidden fees. So let's say we want to personal account first, because I will first explain this personal account and I will guide you into the business account later on. So let's go next. Here you could just go whatever it is applicable to you here, and there that's a freelancer, but I'm not going to go full in depth. You could go provide your mobile number here. I'm not going to go explain it to you all throughout, because it is really simple and it would just make this video much longer. It's really simple. You just have to provide all your information, and after you have done that, then you should appear here. You should have this now right here. In PayPal, you should be in your PayPal dashboard by now, but you won't have any of this yet because you don't have any transactions. So once you have created your account and you're now here in your dashboard, as you can see, I am receiving and sending money in my PayPal account. So let's go here on wallet, and as you can see right here, I don't have any cards or bank link into my account. But if you want to link your bank or card, then you could use it to verify your account. That way, if you successfully link your bank or card, then you won't have to do any more verifications that is needed in your PayPal account, because you already have your bank or cards linked. But if you don't want to link a bank account or card, just like mine, I haven't linked any of this, never linked anyone here in my PayPal account, but still I am able to send and receive money. So how did I do that? It's very simple. You just have to go here on settings right here, into the settings option of your account right here. You can see that here you need to just enter your ID right here, your passport, your national ID. As you can see, I am using my passport right here. And after that, the address, the phone number, the nationality. You need to provide your personal details right here. So once you have done that, then you need to set up your PayPal.me account right here. Your PayPal.me link. So in order for you to set this up, you just simply need, it's very simple, because the use of this is really efficient. You just need to send this link to whoever is gonna pay you or gonna send you money. They're gonna send you this link. Let's go to that link just for an example right here. When we go to that link, as you can see, here is my PayPal account, and they can hit on send right here, and they can input how much they want to send me and what this payment is for right there. And after that, they could use their PayPal balance, or they could use some other credit cards or bank accounts to pay for it. So that is the use of the PayPal link. So how to create that is you can just simply go here, how to get PayPal get me a link so that it would be easier for you to understand. Right here you could click here, paypal.me, and then here click on grab your link right here. And as you can see, I have already my links, so this is what it shows. But for your case, it should have asked for your what do you want to name your PayPal link right here. So that's about it for the PayPal link. And yeah, and by the way, here in the PayPal dashboard right here, when you didn't link your bank account or your cards right here, then your first few transactions with PayPal will be on hold. The funds will be held by PayPal in the first few weeks, or in my case it didn't even reach a week, just 5 days before they released it to me, because the purpose of that is that so that PayPal could make PayPal a safe community for sellers and buyers, so that they could make sure that you are not a scammer or not doing anything criminal. So they held that funds first before you could use it. But don't worry, it's just for the first few transactions. I think it's only free, if I remembered it correctly, before they could immediately release your transactions after it was made. And after the first few transactions, then there would be no holding of your funds anymore. You could receive it immediately as soon as the sender sends it to you. So that's about it for the personal account. Now let's move on to the business account right here. So let's go back to paypal.com and go and log in right here. Let's go use my dummy PayPal business account right here. Right there. Let's just log in, and as you can see, here is our business account. And as you have observed, the UI in the personal and business account are completely different. So in here, the only way you can get verified here and so that you can pay and get paid is to go here in bank accounts, banks and cards, and you will need to link your bank account and your cards in order for you to get verified and for you to get paid by your customers right here. So that's all you need to do, link on your bank account right here. Then yeah, let's go back. Then now I'm gonna show you, here is the PayPal link that you could use for your business right here. You can see it here immediately in the quick links right here. If you would click it right here, you could create your link. Here's what it says: create paypal.me.profile. If you haven't created your PayPal link yet, this is what it shows, and you could add a photo, but not now for me. And here you could type the link whatever you want. Let's say whatever I want. That's already taken. Then let's add some numbers, and as you can see, it's available, and you just need to click next and it will be done. You will have your PayPal link that you can send to your customers so that they can pay. And by the way, when you are creating your PayPal account, you should provide your business informations for your business account here in PayPal, or else you will have this notification right here that they need to confirm that it's really you. Because in my case, I haven't provided my business account because business information because as I said, this is just for tutorial purposes only, so I haven't provided it here. That's why it says like this. But in your case, you should provide everything that PayPal asks about your business informations, and you will be good to go. It is really easy to set up in your login page. You just need to follow through and fill up the informations right there. So that's basically it on how you can create and set up your PayPal account. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.